In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share accounts and passwords in LastPass. By the end, you'll know the safest, most reliable way to send a login to a colleague, friend, or family member without exposing the actual password in plain text. Start by opening the LastPass web vault and signing in so you're looking at your main dashboard. The vault is where all your saved items live, and it's the easiest place to manage what you share. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and choose Passwords. This filters the view to just your saved logins so you're not digging through notes, addresses, or other items. If you have a lot of entries, use the search bar at the top. Type the website, app name, or any keyword you used when you saved the login. As you type, results update in real time, which is especially helpful if you manage many accounts with similar names. When you spot the exact item you want to send, pause your cursor over it. Hovering reveals quick action icons that don't show by default, keeping your vault clean and uncluttered until you need them. Among those icons, look for Share. Click it to open the secure sharing window. Here's where you choose exactly how you want to share. You can allow the recipient to view the password or keep it hidden so they can use it to log in through LastPass without ever seeing the secret itself. Hiding the password is a great option when you want to maintain strict control while still giving access. Next, enter the recipient's email address in the field provided. If you're sharing with more than one person, you can add multiple addresses. Take a moment to double-check spelling, since access is tied to the exact email you enter. When everything looks correct, click Share to send the secure invitation. The recipient will receive a notice from LastPass with instructions to accept the share. If they don't already use LastPass, they'll be prompted to create a free account so the item can be delivered safely. A few tips before you wrap up. Share only with people you trust, and consider keeping the password hidden unless there's a clear need for them to see it. If you ever need to change or stop access later, you can manage that from within your vault. And if you routinely share multiple items with the same people, shared folders can streamline ongoing collaboration. That's it. You've securely shared a login using LastPass without sending sensitive details through email or chat.